Hi, I'm Phil Bridges, owner of Straight Arrow Repair. Ever want to know how a repairman fixes things? Well, come with me and I'll show you how I solve problems. Let's make things better together.
What?
Hey, it's you. This is something that costs $5 or $6, but it costs hundreds of dollars. Now here's why. See how that's rounded like that? It's supposed to be flat, sort of like this is, but it's got a area there, and you can see discoloration right there where water is running through constantly. So their water bill is into the hundreds of dollars because of that area right there. So when you see your toilet running, you need to do something about it because it can cost you a lot of money. And as it is, this would have been $5 or $6. Hopefully you catch on and don't do that. Anyway, see you next time. It's Phil Bridges. If you like what you saw, you think it might be helpful to somebody else, push that like button and let other people know what you and I now know. And we'll work together toward making a brighter future. And by the way, we're not Americans, we're Americans. See you next time.